Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. That 997 there is all done. I've actually done the actual PCM already, all fixed, sorted out. So we're just waiting on a guy to come in for a thread repair and repair one bolt for the sway bar, and one bolt underneath the car was broken already. So we had to do that last. So the guy's coming tomorrow. But today I'm back on this afternoon. I'm back on this 996. So as you can see, assembled everything back together here. This one here is all assembled. I cleaned everything up together properly. This is your oil pump housing, coolant housing, new O-rings, I've got a new timing chain guides. One brand new one there, one new one on top there, that one there, and I've got new O-rings for this one here. There's 3 of them. There's one there. That's why I had to take this off. See that little yellow mark there? I've got to get that one, and that one underneath there in yellow. See the yellow mark there? That's those screws hold the actual plastic guides for the chain in. So these ones here are 10 Newton meters, all of them. Make sure you replace the O-rings. There's some O-rings. You gotta put new O-rings on them as well. Otherwise they'll leak oil. All right. Just all assembled, the front ends all assembled with new O-rings as well for the front oil pump housing. There's 2 O-rings at the front. That's brand new one there as well. All assembled, all torqued up. If you see the yellow mark, that means this bolt's been tightened up to the actual, using a torque wrench to the specified Newton meters or torque from factory, which is 10 Newton meters. All right, that's all done. So now I'm coming across this one here. So now I'm assembling the actual tensioner. I've got a brand new chain there. I put a mark between them. Brand new chain. That's the old chain. The old chain have a mark on them, but you can make your own mark yourself. Alright, there's the chain. That's a brand new chain there. So there's a mark. It's a little mark here as well. You gotta see that little mark there. It's gonna line up with the mark that you made. So I made my own mark there, just a yellow mark. Same here. That part there, made a mark, line up with that one there. Because the factory chain comes with the actual mark already. See here, that one there, and then the one there. So I call this chain here the 996 3.4 liter with the actual tensioner inside the cam cover, which is this kind of chain tensioner, vario cam housing. This one here. So for me, I call this the actual Michael Jordan chain, and the reason why I call it Michael Jordan, because it's actually 23 links for the chain, so it's very easy. And see, if you count all the links on this chain here, it's 23. So it's very easy to call it Michael Jordan chain for the camshaft. 23 links. And if you look at that one there and that one there, there's 6 links between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, that mark there and that mark there, there's 6 links between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the same as this one here. Just put a mark there. The most important mark is that one there and that one there, and the 6 links between them. The factory chain they give you a marker as well, but you don't really need to. Just make up your own mark. It's the chain anyway. So as long as you got 6 links between those 2 marks there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're pretty alright, because that mark, little dot there lines up with that one. The little dot there lines up with that one on both camshaft. Alright. This is the intake camshaft, that's the exhaust camshaft. Anyway, that's pretty much it now. Going back to here, I'm assembling the new ones. I bought new ones from Porsche because the one from before is a bit loose, so I prefer the Porsche ones tighter. The actual guide housing here. If you look at the old guide housing, chain guide, look at that. That's the old one. Pretty worn. That's the old one there. Pretty worn as well. Alright, so I've got brand new ones there. So before you put this on, make sure you put the spring. The spring goes on, but we gotta have the little rod here. This little rod's gotta be inside the spring, so it's gotta go inside here. Like that. And then that goes inside here. Don't worry, it will line up. This part here will line everything up once you push it in. And then that one there goes in like that. on this, and make sure this part here lines up with that one there, and then you can buy the Porsche tool, but I make up my own special tool myself, and you just pull it from here, and then you compress this. Sorry, I can't do it with one hand, and then push it down with the other hand like that, and then do it up so that bolt there will compress those two together. So just keep going until that bolt stop turning. Don't keep going, because that you just need that part to go in. So it's like that. See? So what the bolt's doing is just holding them together, so you can fit it between those, the gap here, fit it between those two, and then you put it inside here as one unit, and you adjust the timing later. All right, so that's a very important step to do. So I call this whole process here the Michael Jordan step, because that's the extra 23 links. It's very easy for me to tell the apprentice or the people I work with how to do this job here. All right, okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Actually, one more thing to had to show to you guys. This is the tool that I've been waiting for. Sorry, that tool there acts as a tensioner, so everything is like done properly. So I had to wait nearly a month. I waited for this tool here, but it's here. So now I've got to go. So I've got a new membership channel as well, just starting soon, so I can actually, a lot of people ask me questions and things to do and how to do stuff, but it came to a point now that I've got to come in on Saturday and do that. So I need support from you guys. If I get a lot of support, then I'll come in on every Saturday and do a lot of videos on Boxsters 996, just simple stuff, how to do stuff to make it easier for you guys in the future. All right, hopefully a lot of people can support me, so I can come in on a Saturday, and if I get too busy, I'll come in on Sunday as well and do some half some days to actually get things done, so the members get really happy. It's really hard for me to do because I'm by myself every day doing the videos. Hopefully we're going to do a drive day, and then we can actually you can see me talking more, because everything is just work at the moment. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.